Today I'm going to show you how to change objects gold in Adobe Photoshop. First open your Quick Selection tool, and then select the watch. Go to Layer panel, add a color fill layer. In the color picker, I'll type in F, E, 5, 8, and C. Then press OK. Change the blend mode to color. Hold Ctrl and click on the mask of the color fill layer to make a selection. Click on the adjustment layer, and create a curves. Adjust the highlights and the shadows like so. Select the bottom layer, go back to adjustment layer, and create a brightness and contrast. I'll increase the contrast to 35. Go back to adjustment layer, and create a hue and saturation. I'll decrease the saturation to -35. Then close Properties window. Now select the 4 adjustments layers by holding down Shift key, and then press Ctrl G to place them into a folder group. And that's it. Thanks for watching.